Hey everybody, I'm Ted Frantz, professor of history here at the University of Indianapolis, and I'm here to show you some of the steps we're taking to make sure our classroom stays safe. Every one of our professors will come in wearing one of these stylish UIndy backpacks, and let's take a look at what's inside. Every pack contains a face mask, protective shield, disinfecting wipes, individual disposable face masks, hand sanitizer, enough for the professor and everybody else in the class. Hey UIndy, wear a mask, protect our pack.